Take a ride in the 2017 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.